Hello everybody, I hope everyone is having a good day and a good week so far, and welcome to my channel, guys. This is my final makeup collection on my vanity, and this is what I have. I have my little lip glosses and my unicorns over there from the Dollar Tree. So, and I got a lot of makeup over here. LA Colors, my e.l.f., and I still use all of this stuff. I really like this e.l.f. palette right there. I am going to be using that this weekend actually, because I really love the colors on that. And I use the LA Colors as well. e.l.f. So, yeah. And this is my Morphe right here. I'm definitely going to get some more Morphe for my birthday. I have the Jekyll and Hill one, and I love this one too, the bronze. Really, really pretty. If I can put that back. And then I just have like regular Morphe. And then these are all of my brushes. Some unicorn candles. A little, it says stay home on it. I got that at Kroger. I thought it was really cute. This brushes, a little unicorn water thing I use for decoration. I got that at Meijer. I have some stuff over here. And then I just have clothes and some stuff, my summer clothes, and of course all of this stuff right here. So that's part of my makeup collection. And I do have some Dollar Tree stuff down there. I have some purses, a lot of Hello Kitty, because I love Hello Kitty. The top one down there, my friend gave me that a couple years ago. And I have a Beauty and Burke purse that's down there and everything. I also have a Juicy Couture purse. I got a little bit of everything. I don't really use my Beauty because of the value. I just got it because of the value of it. But yeah, I keep all my purses down there. I really do like that Hello Kitty purse. I use it for fall and winter. I get a lot of compliments on it. And then up here I have my high-end stuff. Two Celine Dion perfumes. Then I have my Clinique Happy. I love that stuff. And of course I got this on Amazon and I love it. I just have miscellaneous items in here. And of course my Morphe. And then my brushes. And of course I have some makeup in there. This was my very first palette that I have ever bought. And this was in a BoxyCharm. And I really like I've been using this a lot for work. This is what it looks like, the NYX box of eyeshadows. I really love this. They don't talk about this much on YouTube, but I really, really love this. And I've been using this for work like crazy this week. So, and I got this at Walgreens. I really like this as well. So, yeah, this is my very first palettes that I have ever bought. So, yeah, and the desk is from Meijer. Got it back in 2001 for Christmas, and I was going to get rid of it. I'm like, no, because it was a Christmas present. And so, this is the overview of my vanity makeup collection. So, and I have makeup in there, of course. And then, like I said, this is just all clothing for summer. And all of my Dollar Tree decoration. I use it for decoration. And this is it, guys. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. And remember, be positive and stay positive.